Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mr. EZK here, and today we're going to be unboxing the HYTE Y60. I currently love the PC case I have, but I just wanted to see what's all the excitement and hype about with this case. So I ordered it, it's here, and we're going to be giving my full opinion on it. Please do like and subscribe, leave your comments down below, and with that said, let's get into the video. Okay guys, so as you guys can see, oh my goodness. It is one big package we have here. So, oh my bro. Yeah, let's get to it. Bubble wrap. In case you guys never seen bubble wrap, here you go. Throw that somewhere. Get that out of my... Here is the Y60. So let's get ready to... Oh wow. That's actually a little bigger than I thought it was going to be. Huh? Okay, that's two boxes out of the way. Here is in the back. Here is in the front. Not bad. Now let's get all this off again.
Oh, hell no!
Okay, I think I have this. I think I had this the way it was supposed to be. There we go. This is actually pretty big, bro. Look at that. Not gonna lie, bro. This actually looks pretty hyped up, bro. Oh yeah, that's one of the most important things I actually wanted to. In case you guys want to mount your graphics card vertical, it already brings the vertical mount. So that is really cool, because if not, you got to buy that for like 50 or 60 bucks, something like that. Man, that got me worked up. Okay, so right here we got the little buttons thingy. Okay. USB up here, so we can fit 360 millimeter, whether it be an all-in-one cooler. Right here we have for two, so right here
it's massive.
One tempered glass, two right here, and yeah, we got it says tempered glass, handle with care. I'm probably not being too careful right now, but I like back here is it says right here aesthetic, expansion, graphics. It just points you out like what's good and what's not. Right here we got storage. I'm guessing it's probably SSDs, or it could be hard drives. I don't know if people still use those. All the cable management in here. It just looks like we're gonna have a lot of space down here. I don't want to flip it down too much. It also has like an exhaust place. Bro, that is pretty cool. So we get 3 fans. I didn't even read that in the post, bro. So we get 2 fans, as you guys can see right there. There we go. 2 fans, and we get 1 up here, and that's about it on the HYTE Y60. I can honestly say, for whatever price you buy this, you know, whether you get 10%, 25% discount, or just anything, the price is worth it. Like, I instantly fell in love with this one, and I feel so hyped because I'm going to be using vertical mount, and I haven't used that in quite a while. You know, if you're just a computer PC gaming case enthusiastic, I'm pretty sure this is going to fill your expectations. Thank you guys for being here, and see you guys in the next videos.